Trump Tower is going down in an hour and a half. It is 7:30 a.m. in the morning, Atlantic City, New Jersey. That is the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. It's pretty fucking disgusting, honestly. But we're 500 feet up in the air. It's penthouse suite up right on the boardwalk, basically. And, well, we are over the boardwalk. I don't know what else to do until then other than do a time lapse for the next hour and a half. I have to go to work, so you're going to get a time lapse until about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 p.m. Hopefully my computer doesn't catch on fire. Enjoy. It's Trump Tower is right there. So you should, if they do this correctly, just see it go down. Have fun.